Clearing your search history on Zelle can help maintain your privacy and keep your app organized. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Locate the Settings icon, usually found in the upper corner of the app. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Find Privacy options. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Privacy or Account Settings section. This is where you can manage your data preferences. Step 4. Clear Search History. Look for an option labeled Clear Search History or similar. Tap on this option to remove your previous search entries. Step 5. Confirm the action. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to clear the search history. Confirm the action to complete the process. After following these steps, your search history on Zelle should be cleared. Regularly managing your app settings can help enhance your privacy and user experience.